how to send a voice message on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today, I'm diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to send a voice message on WhatsApp. So first things first, open up your WhatsApp app and go to the chat and open the conversation where you want to send your voice message. And at the bottom of the screen, on the right side, you'll see a microphone icon. Tap on it and hold that icon to start recording your voice message. So, if you change your mind, you can cancel the message by swiping your finger to the left. So, tap on it again and then record your voice message. And once you have recorded it, you can simply release the button and your voice message will be automatically sent. And that's it. You've just learned how to send a voice message on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.